Greetings and welcome. My name is Darren Nelson, Vice President of Business Software Solutions here at Sirius. I'm looking forward to taking you through the power of an art of the cloud possible that we here have developed at Sirius, leveraging some very powerful platforms from IBM. We'll be showing you how when you can leverage things like Bluemix, Watson, BPM, QRadar, FiberLink Maas360, you can do some amazing things. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm securely logging into this application. It's a claims adjuster application for a fictitious insurance company that we built for the Apple iPad using the IBM Mobile First platform. Access to my daily tasks is prioritized by the IBM BPM for us. It only took us 120 hours to build this entire application, front end and back end. Simply amazing. After clicking on the Policyholders button, I get a very intuitive rendering of all the policies and the homeowners I represent, complete with pictures of their homes. You'll also see a BPM Fed status indicator in the upper right-hand corner, a color-coded dot. You'll also note that this is a very elegant UI that was implemented by our own Sirius 5-out digital agency. Now I'd like to take a different look at the policies that I represent. I click on the map view, and you'll see what this does is it actually makes an API call out to Google Maps and provides a geospatial reference of all the policies and clients that I represent. Okay, it's time to get to work. I click on my queue. You can see it makes a call out to the IBM BPM and actually prioritizes my work for me. Shows me the status of any claims that I might have outstanding, and note the alert in the lower left-hand corner about an upcoming storm. Let's click on that. Okay, once again my map view is going to be brought up, and I'm going to click on that View Stormpath. And what's actually going to happen is it's going to make a call to the IBM Weather APIs through Bluemix and actually plot for me in that red line where the eye of the storm went, and a shaded area which identifies where there might be high-risk damage for these particular policyholders of mine. Okay, let's take this a step further. I tell the system that I want to find structural damage and use the Watson image analyzer to compare before and after pictures of these homes, identifying those homes which are likely damaged based on the analysis that the Watson image analyzer did. Pictures taken via drones or satellite images, for example. Now I see one of these homes is way on the edge of my territory and I'm not going to have time to get to it, so I assign that to another adjuster, and then I take this other one and start a claim process. Once again, using the power of Bluemix to surface the very powerful Watson APIs, and BPM to optimize workload and workflows. No demonstration will be complete without security considerations. You can see here we're leveraging IBM QRadar as our security information and event manager, and it sees an event of a device becoming out of compliance and flashes an alert up to our security person to take action. We can see by the geolocation that this particular device is not where it should be and is out of its territory. We contact the owner and they tell us that the device is lost. The security administrator brings up the FiberLink Maas360 dashboard and remotely wipes the device so that the stolen device cannot be leveraged or any of the data accessed. For those interested in geeking out on the architecture we used for this demonstration, we actually used Bluemix as the center of our application infrastructure. We have API calls to Google Maps, Watson, and IBM Weather. We're leveraging Mobile First for the mobile application development, BPM for process optimization, and for security, we use QRadar, FiberLink, and Maas360. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little demonstration and a glimpse into the art of the cloud possible. We wanted to give you an idea of some of the exciting things that you can do with the power of Bluemix and all the APIs that are exposed to you, not to mention the legacy IBM platforms that augment this awesome solution. If you want to get started, just shoot us an email at info@siriuscom.com and reference the Cloud Innovation Studio. And what we'll do is we'll have some of our extraordinary architects and engineers engage with you, understand the business objectives you might have, and show you what the art of the cloud possible might be for you.